In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find the W-4 for Bill.com. To get started, you will need access to your payroll provider account. The W-4 is an important tax form that your employer uses to determine how much federal income tax should be withheld from your pay. Because it is tied to payroll records, the best place to find it is inside the payroll provider portal where your employment details are stored. First, log into your payroll provider's portal, which in this case is Gusto. Go to the sign-in page and enter your login information. Once you are logged in, look for an area that shows your profile, pay, or tax-related documents. If you are already signed in, just make sure you are viewing the correct company or organization account, especially if you have more than one employment profile. This matters because each account can have different documents available. Next, after you have entered the portal, navigate to the Documents or Tax Forms section. The wording can vary a little depending on your account layout, but you should be able to find something that looks like payroll documents, tax forms, or form downloads. Take a moment to scan the menu on the left side or the dashboard tiles. If there is a search bar, you can also use it to look for W-4, tax forms, or documents. Once you locate that section, open it and wait for the list of available forms to load. This is where the portal usually organizes your forms by year and category, so you will be ready to select the right one. Then in the Documents or Tax Forms area, select W-4 to download or view your form. Look for an option labeled W-4, and often you will also see a year next to it. Choose the W-4 that matches the time period you need. When you select it, the portal may show a preview first, or it may open a downloadable file. You can review the contents on screen to confirm it is the correct form. If the site offers a download button, you can download the document for your records or for uploading where it is needed. When you download, pay attention to where your browser saves files, and make sure the file is fully downloaded before you close the window. At this point, you have effectively completed the main task, but it is common to run into a simple access issue, so now you should know what to do if you cannot locate the document. Sometimes a form may not appear due to timing, permissions, or because it is stored under a different tab within the portal. That is why the next step is important. Contact your employer's HR or payroll department if you cannot locate the document. When you reach out, explain that you are trying to find your W-4 in your payroll provider portal and you are not seeing it in the Documents or Tax Forms section. Ask them which portal location you should check, or whether they can send the form to you directly. HR or payroll can also confirm that your account has the right access and that the correct tax year is available. This ensures you do not waste time searching if the document is simply not visible from your side. Once HR or payroll responds, you can return to the portal to confirm that you have the correct W-4 available. If they provide instructions for a different location inside the portal, follow their guidance and repeat the same process of downloading or viewing the W-4. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.